on, B-Risers? Hope you're doing fabulous. So today I wanted to cover a question I got in regards to ovarian cysts and endometriosis, and I wanted to show you what I exactly eat in healing the body. I've healed myself from ovarian cysts naturally, and I've also had endometriosis, and I'm looking at getting the ultrasound results to show you guys that I was previously diagnosed with endometriosis. I think they also called it angiometriosis, which again, these are all just labels that they put on symptoms. So if we look at medical doctors, they are really just treating symptoms. And I want to, of course, put a disclaimer here that I'm not a doctor, so everything I say in this video on my channel is not medical advice. And I'll probably put a disclaimer at the beginning of my video anyways. But I wanted to read this question because this is very important. And this is something that I would have gone through myself. So it says, "Hi, I've been watching your YouTube videos. I have stage 4 endometriosis and have been trying to conceive for 6 years. I've had 4 surgeries, but it keeps coming back. I went to the doctor and I have cysts on my right ovary and polyp. And he says I won't be able to have my own child. Any suggestions?" So I'm not going to put out the name or say who this is out of respect, but I just want to say that this is actually something that I have been seeing a lot lately. Is I have ovarian cysts, I have endometriosis, I have acne, I have you know, whatever it is, and it keeps coming back. And the reason is because most medical doctors out there, I don't want to say all of them, and there's really good ones out there, but most medical doctors out there only have half an hour of nutrition training, and the rest of the time they're spent learning pharmaceuticals. And so when we look at natural remedies, it's pretty hard to find out there. So that's why I'm really pushing this information out there, because I see, testing on myself, that the body, if given the right nutrition, has the ability to heal itself. So what I aim for is just overdosing on nutrition, just giving the body the right fuel, and then the body can start, you know, cleaning itself out. And so with endometriosis, ovarian cysts, this is really just telling you that the body is overloaded with acids, you know, and the body is going to produce mucus to protect our organs from these acids that are coming in through the air that we're breathing, through our diet, you know, dairy, cooked milks, the processed foods, the junk foods, the processed meats out there are known carcinogen now by the World Health Organization. And there's just so many pesticides and toxins in our foods, as well as the air we breathe, and also the environment we're in. If we're in a very stressful environment, that can be very acidic on the body. So what we need to do is we need to start hydrating the body. We need to start giving the body lots of minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, and really just putting the body with the right fuel, the fuel that we're designed to consume. And it's like a vehicle. If you give a car the wrong fuel, it's gonna start breaking down. So I want to share with you what I eat for healing the human body. This isn't gonna be just, this is ovarian cysts, endometriosis, but it's also how to heal the human body. All right, so the first thing I like to start with is the Heal All Tea, the herbs. Herbs are extremely beneficial for turning on your glands if they have been shut down and suppressed by a lot of these acidic foods. So I have the Heal All Tea here, the herbs. Now, if you don't have to go into buying supplements and all these herbs, you can really just find local herbs in your area. I got burdock out here, lots of herbs in the parks. And you know, I just start making my own teas. You can start juicing them, however you like to get them in. They're really beneficial. Now I love coconut water, super hydrating. I like to drink coconut water throughout the day, and high in potassium, alkaline mineral. Next, I like to try to get in grapes. Okay, so grapes are really hydrating for the body, and they're really gentle on the kidneys and the ovaries. So for the most part, what I found is grapes work extremely well with a lot of people. Super hydrating and can really pull out acids and mucus out of the body. Now, I also like to look at, fruits that are in season, kind of working with nature. So we do have some apples here, I have some pears, and these are ripe. So that's really important. Going to be really good for cleaning out your colon and your bowels. A lot of the issues I'm seeing always come back to the bowels. Most people's bowels nowadays are in really bad shape. So all of these foods are also going to help you start eliminating through your bowels, through your colon. The next thing that I may do is a smoothie. So I really love bananas, especially because I'm physically active. So this is a great way of getting in a lot of B vitamins, protein, and really satiating and filling. I also like to add some berries with it. So I have some strawberries, blueberries. If I'm, after that, I kind of wait for my digestion, I may have a melon. Melons are also super hydrating, really good. These are all good electrical foods. So really good for turning on the cells, waking the cells up, cleaning and strengthening. That's what it's all about in terms of health. We're cleaning and strengthening the physical body. Next, for dinner, I may go with a salad, right? So we're getting in lots of minerals here with the kale, the celery. I got some cucumber, carrots. I may have a salad, or I may have a juice, a large green juice. And that's, again, really, really hydrating, alkaline for the body. So we're bringing it from a dehydrated, acidic state to an alkaline, hydrated state. And if, I don't do a salad, I may do a soup. I may do a butternut squash soup, or have some sweet potatoes for dinner, and that's, really satiating, as well as I may, throw some avocados on a salad. So there's lots of different options that you can do, but really start checking out my videos on what I eat for healing ovarian cysts, for healing the human body. And it's really about bringing in a lot of alkalization and minerals. And then when you do that, it's not a quick fix. A lot of people just want to take a pill and want their symptoms to go away. But this is about really regenerating the physical body. And we have to look at our genetics, where we came from, our ancestors, their diet, their lifestyle, and then our own diet on top of genetics. So if the physical body, what I always like to say is, if the physical body can degenerate, we can also look at regenerating the cells and taking it from, changing our genes. If you look at what's happening with heart disease, it's been shown that we can reverse heart disease on a plant-based diet. It may take some months and some working on your body and making a change, but it's worth it. Your health and your happiness is your greatest wealth. So always invest in yourself by what you're putting in your body. Alright guys, you can find me on Instagram at b_rising. You'll see a lot of the foods I eat, and stay tuned for more healing videos.